So previously we were using sweep feature, helical sweep feature and swept blend features, in which we had to define a trajectory or path, and on different points on those paths, either on the endpoints or in between the trajectory or path, we used to draw the section, and that section used to follow that path in order to add the material or remove material. But in this video we will be learning how to use a new feature, which is this blend feature. In order to use this blend feature, uh, we need to create sketches or sections. For example, if I select a sketch and select this plane and start my sketch and my rectangular sketch, center rectangle from this point to this point and press OK. So this is my first sketch on right plane. In order to use this blend feature, we have to create two or more sketches in parallel planes. So I will select this right plane on which my first sketch is drawn, and I will select this plane, create a datum plane at some particular distance, for example 200 units. I will be creating a plane and I will draw a sketch on this plane, this time a circle with this center and this point like this. And if I press scroll, it will ask me to give the dimension. For example, I give it like 200 units and press OK. Then I will be selecting right plane again in order to create another plane at some distance like this. Press OK, and again I will be sketching my section, center rectangle like this, and press OK. So right now I have three sketches on parallel planes, and these are my prerequisites for using this blend feature. And in this blend feature we don't need to give it a path or a trajectory. So I will invoke this blend feature, and in this sections tab there are two options. Either I can create sketches on different planes, or I can select already existing sketches. So I will be selecting this selected sections, and now I will be selecting my previously made sketches like this. And as you can see, this section number 1 has a starting point over here, and it has 4 vertices. And my second section, in order to select my second section, I will be pressing this button insert. Second section will be this section, and you can see this section number 2 has only 2 vertices, so it will not be blending or adding material, so I have to cancel it. And in this sketch here, sketch number 2, I have to edit this sketch and add vertices by using this divide tool. If I select it, and then over here my first division, so that the starting points coincide with those of the rectangles. So this will be my first vertex, this is my second division, second point, This is my third, and this one is my fourth point. Press scroll and press OK. Now again I have to select that blend feature in sections, selected sections, and section number 1 will be my this rectangle over here. So you can see this is the starting point and it has 4 vertices. Now again I will insert the second sketch like this. Now you can see the second section has 4 vertices, that's why it has added material. And if I want to insert the third or fourth or fifth sections, I will be selecting those like this, and so the material has been blended across various sections and there was no path. And in the options tab we can select the blended surfaces to be straight. If I select straight, it will be like this, and if I select smooth, it will be like this, and I press OK to complete my blend feature.